So add a cube. Scale on the Z-axis. Press Ctrl-R to add loop cuts. Add 2 loop cuts from this menu. Turn on face selection and extrude these 2 faces. Turn on X-ray mode. Select this part. Shift-D to duplicate this and separate it. Now select this and set geometry to origin. Now grab it up. This will be the second part of the lamp like this. Scale them both in Y-axis. You can change the theme. Click here. Select Random and turn on Cavity for a better angle view. Now add a cube. Press Shift-Z to scale on the X and Y axis. Adjust them a little. We need to change the control point of it from here to here. So grab it here. Press Shift-S and click Cursor to select it. Now the cursor came here. Now drag it up as before. And set origin to 3D cursor. Now we can rotate it like this. Now add a cone. Shade it smooth. And turn on Auto Smooth. In Edit mode, press I to insert. On X-ray mode, extrude on the Z-axis and scale down. Now insert and extrude again to create the bulb. Create a new material. By selecting this, create another material and assign it. Now we have 2 materials for the bulb and shade. Go to the bulb material and add emission to glow the bulb. Now select the top point and press Shift-Ctrl-B and scale it. Smooth vertices. Now rotate and grab it in front of the body. Now we need the same control point for both bulb and body before we do anything. But first, keep a copy of all of them. Press M and create a new collection. Now click H to hide them. Now change the point as before. Set origin to cursor. Now both control points are at the same place. Finally, join them. Turn on Auto Smooth again. Now we can rotate it. Now we have 3 materials for 3 parts. Now change the color according to yourself. We will talk about it in the next part. Till then, enjoy.